In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Confluence. Let's start at the very beginning by opening Confluence. Make sure you're signed in to the right site where you want this new space to live. Confluence organizes information into spaces. So think of a space as the home for a team, a project, or a body of documentation. Once you're in, look for spaces in the sidebar or in the top navigation, depending on your layout. Confluence can look a little different from one site to another, but the Spaces option will be visible in one of those places. Click it to open the Spaces directory. From here, select Create Space. If you don't see the button, you may not have permission to create spaces. That's fine, just check with your site admin. If you do see it, go ahead and click it to open the setup screen. Next, choose the type of space you want to create. Confluence offers different presets, such as a blank space for full flexibility or templates tailored for documentation or knowledge bases. Pick the option that best matches your use case. If you're unsure, a blank space is a safe choice. You can always structure it as you go. Now, add the space name and the space key. The space name is what everyone will see in navigation, so make it descriptive and easy to recognize, like the name of your team or project. The space key is a short identifier used in page URLs and search. Confluence will suggest one automatically, usually based on your space name, but you can customize it. Keep the key short, memorable, and unique. Something like a few uppercase letters that your team will immediately associate with this space. Before you finalize, set permissions or invite members if needed. Decide who can view, comment, and edit. You can grant access to groups or specific people, and you can make the space broadly visible or keep it limited to a smaller audience. Setting this up now saves you from access issues later, but remember, you can come back and adjust permissions anytime as your team grows. When everything looks right, create the space. You'll land on the new space home. This is your starting point to add pages. Click Create to add your first page, and consider using templates for meeting notes, product requirements, or how-to guides to speed things up and keep content consistent. Organize pages into a clear hierarchy with parent and child pages, and use labels and a short intro on the homepage to help teammates find what they need quickly. That's it. Your Confluence space is ready. Start adding content, keep permissions tidy, and your team will have a reliable place to collaborate and document their work.